On May 8, 2025, attorney David Marco Weber filed a supplemental declaration in Los Angeles Superior Court asking Judge Michael R. Powell to impose at least $10,000 in sanctions under California law, specifically Code of Civil Procedure Section 128.7. The request stems from what Weber describes as a frivolous and abusive use of the court system, harassment claims filed by Anthony D'Amato Jr. against a minor and the minor's mother. These filings, called civil harassment restraining orders, are intended to protect people from threats or abuse. But according to Weber's declaration, that's not what's happening here. Weber cites a series of social media posts made by D'Amato long before the alleged incident. In the court filing, he writes, "Petitioner published the following statements on Twitter well before May 2024, the date he claims the minor called him a pedophile. The posts include, absolutely, been called a pedo more times than I can count. I gotta go play some Apex like the pedo I am. It's cool. I only got called a pedophile 3 times today. I've been called pedophile more times than I care to count." All of these statements are documented in Exhibit KK. Weber also includes a transcript from a video where D'Amato says, "Being called a pedo doesn't bother me because I'm not." According to Weber, this undermines D'Amato's entire case. The same statements he now claims harmed him were made publicly by him months earlier, and by his own admission, didn't bother him at all. The declaration also reminds the court of what happened on February 20th. That day, D'Amato did appear in person at the Stanley Mosque Courthouse, but he was arrested in the hallway on an outstanding warrant for the 26 charges. His criminal case on those charges is also scheduled for arraignment this week. Judge Powell paused the hearing and received brief testimony from the arresting officer. The judge made clear he would not consider the arrest as evidence in the harassment case, but did formally order D'Amato to appear in person again for the continued hearing on May 12, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. Weber now asks Judge Powell to impose sanctions, arguing that the harassment filings were legally and factually baseless. He's seeking monetary penalties under Section 128.7 to prevent future abuse of the legal system. At the heart of the matter is this question: was the court used to retaliate against a minor and their parent? That decision now rests with Judge Michael R. Powell in Department 42. See you tomorrow, Tony.